that bounces on the ground. C is for cat with whiskers so neat. D is for dog with paws and feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat who climbs up high. H is for horse who gallops by. I is for ice cream, tasty and sweet. J is for jelly, a wobbly treat. K is for kite that soars so tall. L is for ladybug, tiny and small. M is for monkey who swings in trees. N is for nest with eggs in the leaves. O is for octopus swimming with grace. P is for parrot in a colorful place. Q is for queen with a shiny gold crown. R is for rainbow with colors all around. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for tiger with stripes black and white. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that loves to play. W is for whale big in the sea. X is for xylophone making tunes happily. Y is for yo-yo spinning so